Namaskar, I am Dr. Kumar Pandit. Welcome to Homeo Insight. Homeo Insight, my YouTube channel. Today's topic is about Agnus Castus. This is a homeopathic medicine. Many people are searching for this medicine because they are not able to decide whether to buy it or not. If you want to buy it, then how much power potency should you buy it? Or which power potency is suitable for whom? Nobody is telling about all these. Although there is a little bit in YouTube, but not in the details. So today we will discuss in detail, which power potency is right for you, so that you can use it immediately. Let's start. Before starting this video, if you are coming to my channel for the first time, then you are welcome. And those who have been associated with me for a long time, they are very welcome. And what else to do? If you like the video, then give a like. And if you want a lot of work or a later video, then subscribe, so that you can get the video as soon as we give it. Let's start. See. Actually, what happens is that so much is known about Agnus. Some people say that taking this will work immediately. The rest of the medicine is not needed. Actually, it is not like that. Agnus Castus will suit only those who get the symptoms of this with you. Otherwise, the result is zero. Suppose, whatever is the symptom of this, I am telling you now, and you have not got that symptom. And you have heard from somewhere or someone has told you that no, by taking this medicine you get a lot of boost and a lot of work. And all the diseases are cured. This is wrong. Taking this can also be harmful. Not by taking this, but any medicine, especially Agnus Castus, if you take it without any waste. If you take it for a long time, then you can also have side effects. I am telling this as a genuine chiropractor so that you do not get harmed. Some people are understanding that we are telling wrong by watching my video on Agnus Castus. Actually, this is not the case. And if you are thinking like this, then watch that video 2 to 3 times before and you will understand. Because my purpose is not to give you wrong information. Let's start. See. Actually, how much power should Agnus be taken? There is one mother tincture, some say 30, some say 200, some say 1 meter, 10 cm, up to 50 meters. But no one is telling you which potency will be convenient or useful for you. Actually, some people say, take this, you will be fine. Watch the second video, take 200, you will be fine. This is a situation that is going on in YouTube. So, that's why we clear this video a little so that you do not get any harm. See. Actually, if any medicine has a lot of mental symptoms, if any medicine is found, then it should not be taken in mother tincture. It should be taken in a little higher potency. And if you are not getting a lot of mental symptoms, but you are getting a little physical symptoms, then you should take a crude substance like mother tincture or lower potency, up to 30 to 200. This is the rule. So, what will be the symptoms of Agnus Castus? See. I told you in the previous video, I will tell you in this short. If you have masturbated a lot in childhood, if you have masturbated a lot, then you have done a lot of bad things. Masturbation does not cause any harm, but from a limited period. If it happens once or twice a month, then there is no problem. But those who do habituated masturbation, or are unable to stop masturbation, then this medicine is good for them. Why? Keep listening. See, if you masturbate a lot or destroy your sperm, then at a young age, as you will see, that old age will come to you. Because your sperm is the most powerful, it has a lot of power. Sometimes it is more than you. So, if you harm it, then you are harming yourself. It is okay to a limit, but if you destroy it, then you will get old very quickly. This means that you will see old age at a young age. This is one symptom. The second is that you will have a mental tension that we have done a lot of masturbation in childhood, so will we be able to satisfy our wife in married life? Or not? Should we get married or not? You will have a lot of tension in this regard. Along with that, you will only think about fantasy, that is, the work-related worry, which is less. That is, the thought of all the work-related thoughts will always run in your mind. If it is going on, then you are thinking about it. By doing this, the worry that will come at one time, you will be very sad. So why will this happen? Suppose you have already done masturbation, then you got married later, so it was fine for a few days, but after that, because it has already ended a lot, so what will happen now? Your penis's health gets worse. I have just given a video, why your penis or male power organ gets worse due to some diseases. See about it. Secondly, because your semen has already been destroyed, so what will happen after a few days? You will get relaxation, because there is a lot of desire, but you can't get up, it is not strong, it becomes flexible, it becomes soft, but the importance becomes too much, which is called as a shock. It means you don't have any life in you. But you have in your mind that we will be able to do it, everything is fine. So while thinking like this, if for a while, even a little bit of stiffness comes, then just touch a little bit or not, quick ejaculation happens or early discharge happens very soon. So all this will be left to worry, and while going on like this, after a few days you will realize that we don't have any meaning of living in this world, because we are not able to perform. My married life is getting worse, my wife's life is getting worse, we are spoiling ourselves. In short, this world, this earth of ours, it has become bad for me, we are not worthy of it, so it is better to die. So, this is the last stage. So, if you have this kind of tension, what will happen with it? When you have so much tension, you will become a chain smoker, you will have a lot of bidi or cigarette, one after another, thoughts will keep running in your mind, you will keep taking it like this. With this, your chest will also get bigger. So, if you get this symptom, and if you are going into a lot of depression, then you don't have to take mother tincture, you have to take it in AQ form. With a little 30 power, do it 3 times in a day, take it for about 7 days, with that, take Urethena Q mother tincture, or also called mother tincture, you can watch that video, with that, take it in half a cup of water for 3 times, for a month. The 30 you are taking, if you get a little improvement, instead of taking it, if you are coming out of depression, then increase the power, burn in 200, in 1 spoon of water, take 3 drops, and take it for 3 days in the morning and evening, after that, leave it, then take Asagonda for another month, on the same rule.